Koala Bears. Today we is about to be playing some Escape Block Cat. We just tried to play I just tried to play Bambuya Daycare. It's like Garden of Band, but I don't think the game was finished, and yeah, there was no way to get out the first part. So yeah, this is us, and let's go see what we're supposed to do. Oh, the yellow dog. Always right there.
Meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Meow. The way it just switch up, like, that's crazy. No. Oh, okay. Got your kibble? Oh. Oh. Is this too loud? I hope not. Oh, I'm trying to down some, y'all, so y'all can really kind of hear me. Okay. Oh, my bad. I really could have just jumped down and fell, but you know. Okay. Going here's what key we got. We got the blue key. All we tell you is show you what everything at. I like that. Okay, I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. Well then. Red key, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, so one is red. It's kind of like fish too, y'all. It's kind of like fish. Oh, no. Let me go back to the beginning because I like going back to the beginning and actually see where I'm at. Okay, that's the beginning. Where are we going? Was this a circle? Let me see what's down here. What's down here? Ooh, a TNT. A dynamite. Man. Okay, let's go back. Sound like off today. I don't got that key. 3 is yellow. The button's probably like all the way on the other side. So yeah. Now where we at? Oh, we back over here. Okay. I'm just go this way cause I don't know where at the night for real. Green key. Is this what this for? Oh, hammer. Oh, it's phone numbers. Red. Hello. Oh, I was trying to guess, but I can't. Oh, you can't come here? Okay. Can we guess? Oh. Period. Oh.
Meow.
Don't meow me.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Aha. Meow. Meow. I don't know where he gonna come from. Okay, it's nothing on it. Oh.
Meow. Meow.
Where's that? Okay, let's try to go this way. Cause we just came from the other way.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Don't trap me, please.
Meow. Meow.
Yo.
Meow.
I can't see
Meow.
it.
Meow.
Oh, he can come in here? What this is? Water. Oh, this is what I blew up. Oh, and the red dot right here. Y'all look at me. Should be easy. So I always play games like this. That's who chasing us? Oh, okay. Period. Purple key. Oh, right on it. I just hope I'm not moving a lot because of my mic. Oh my god. Because my hand's like where my mic at, and yeah, because I'm on mobile. Watch running, please. Okay, now we got this key, the cyan key. Oh, that's the lock that dropped. Okay, we know what it's called. Where did we come from? This way? Oh. My hand is cold. I need to turn my fan off. This what the cross is? Oh, okay. Oh. And we got green key. Where the green key was? Green key was on the other side where we had just came from. Oh, I hear it. I don't know where it's coming from though. Oh.
Meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. Yo. Okay, enough is enough. What's in here? Is this the escape? Oh, it's a fish. Oh, oh, okay, bet. Y'all, I didn't even know that was for that. I really just came up in here. Okay, what this is? Ooh. Oh. I ain't got a hotel though. Okay. What we got? We just need food. I'm already came in there. Oh, I didn't even have to jump. That's crazy. Let me go see what was this way first. Oh, nothing. Okay, need the same way. What's this way? Oh my lord. Oh my god, I just came here. Is this supposed to be like the enemies? I don't know which. Oh, I just came from the other way. There's nothing in here. Wait, I didn't go this way. Okay, go over here. Oh. Let's go. That's because they literally put everything where it's supposed to be at or close to it.
Yo. Yo. Yo.
Oh, I don't got them?
Yo.
Right, right. Now we gotta go find them. Where exactly they supposed to be at? Oh.
Yo. Yo.
Oh. How? No. Oh, okay. Wait. Can I see what the board's at then? The bucket of water. I don't know where nothing at for. Wait, that mean I didn't open the door. Well, break the glass, cause give me the hammer back. Just leave me alone. Just give me my money. Oh, I see a plank. Then we'll just try to find the other one. Oh, it was not that hard. Oh, I think we lost the pink key.
Yo. Yo.
Oh, my hand's asleep. Hold on, y'all. We ain't gotta break the glass again. He's still walking around too.
Yo.
Well, we right here anyways.
Yo. Yo.
Get the key. I know exactly how to do these. It ain't that way. No. No. So is it red? Oh, well, we're just gonna keep down so we get it. How was the yellow though? Like, I know the trick. If we go through, it's not the right one. Don't be smart. Okay, I'll keep doing this then. I'm gonna do it 3 times. So it's yellow, blue. Is it red? Yellow, blue, okay. I play Antarctica Expedition. I know how to work these ropes. How many expeditions I got on there? Like, what? 16? I got like 16 expeditions on there, y'all. That is crazy. Oh, I wanted to go higher, but like, I wanted to do it on hard mode. But unfortunately, I don't really play it anymore. I'll probably do like an episode on there or something. I don't know. I don't want to have to play it again. What is milk? Milk? Yup. I was like, what it is? Milk? My fingers needed that crack. Where this go? No eating milk. Oh, okay. It's like on a box or something. Cause I know these games always got something at the end. And y'all tried to beat fish, but like that's really like a computer type game. Cause you cannot hold the screen and throw it at the same time. And once you let go, it's gonna throw the thing. The boulder. I just knew it. I just knew it. Oh. Meow. It was not that bad. Hey, look at us. That was a quick game, not gonna lie. I only died 1 time. Well, that was Escape the Black Cat, y'all. And yeah, bye corner bears. Oh, make sure y'all join the Discord. But I need mods because I don't really know nothing about Discord for real. Or how to work it for real. So yeah, let me know if you want to be a mod. You can just put it in the description. Not the description. You can put it in the comments and I'm gonna try to read them. You know? So yeah, bye corner bears.